5 GitHub plugins that you need for VS Code right now. Let's get started.
Ich trag nur ein Code Power, doch das macht mich nicht zum Rapper. Das gibt mir nur die Pressure, so ein Vielfaches besser.
At number 5 we have Git Cheatsheet. So let's see how this works. So inside any file you can search for open cheat sheet or just cheat sheet to open the GitHub cheat sheet. So on the right hand side we have Git cheat sheet, and you can see tons and tons of commands inside this cheat sheet. So whatever you use for the GitHub or the Git, you can find each and every command over here. So git push, git clone, git rotate, rebase is right here. These tags, repositories, global config, all of the commands that GitHub uses are right here. So this is Git cheat sheet. Now before moving to the next one, I want you to do me a quick favor and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the videos. At number 4 we have Git History. So inside any file, right click and then Git View History, or you can press Alt and H, and now you will see all of the history or all of the commits or updates you have done inside the file in the past. So this shows all the past history of my files. Now you can see this is app.js, this is the past version, and you can see this is the new commit. So all of the changes that I have done over the past are being shown over here. So this is amazing extension Git History. It will show you exactly whatever you have done in the past with those files. At number 3 we have Git Blame. As the name suggests, this plugin will show you who is editing inside the file currently. So this is Muhammad Rakib, that means I have edited this and I am to be blamed if something goes wrong. So if I view this, then you will see that I have done or committed the changes on April 23rd, 2020, and then if anything goes wrong, I have to be blamed. At number 4 we have GitHub Pull Requests, to make requests or pull requests from the GitHub directly inside the VS Code. So now inside the app.js, on the left hand side we have this GitHub icon, and these are the requests currently. These are two of them, number 3 and number 4. Let me resize it. So these two requests have been in my GitHub. So let me view, these two are inside my GitHub, and now instead of doing this from here, I can do directly inside the VS Code. So I have to click over here, package log.json, and then open it GitHub. So now you can see these requests have been pulled up for my repositories. So I can edit them from here, or I can edit them directly from the VS Code. So we are going to do directly from VS Code. So double click on that, and then it will show you what changes you have done or whether you want to merge the pull request or not. So down below it shows me merge pull request. Now this is exactly what it shows on GitHub. So now if I can click over here, so now you can see this is the individual request, and I can merge it from here. This is the GitHub site, so I can merge the pull request from here. Click over it and then create merge request. Okay, so now it has been merged. Now I head over to GitHub. Now the request has been merged inside my repository. So this is an amazing extension which allows you to merge requests from the VS Code directly. At number 1 we have Git Lens. This is the best extension for GitHub if you are using VS Code. So inside app.js, if I click over here and hover over, it shows me a dialog box. Now this dialog box contains my commit number, my commit ID, my changes, and it also shows me when I have done the changes in the past. On line number 6, it will show me that I have done 2 times changes over here at time 12:20 and time 13:20 about the changes that I have done over this. Now if I click on this world icon, it will go to my changes and highlight the changes I have done over that time. So now it also shows one more thing, that is the commit ID. That means what the commits have been done in the past, and it will also show us in what sequence they have been done. Now if I click over this, now it will tell me that I have done how to make credentials.json. I have made this change to this file. Collaborate with other developers or your friends or families. And now down below it shows me that whatever the Git Blame was doing, this Git Lens is also doing that. And now moving to the top side, we have this open changes. Now if I click over this, it will show me whatever changes I have done inside this repository over the last few days or few months. So if I click over this, it will show me that this was the code, and now it has been edited or it has been emitted. New commit has been edited, which was not previously. I will give you a bonus plugin for GitHub, and that is the GitHub theme. Yes, you can change your VS Code theme according to the GitHub or whatever you see on their GitHub site. it will show you just like that. Now this is GitHub Light theme. You can choose the default one. You can choose the GitHub dark theme. This is the dark one. App.js, it's striking, I don't like this. So this is the GitHub theme plugin for VS Code. Hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next one.